How to add music to an Instagram feed post. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Tap on this plus icon given at the bottom middle. With that, your gallery will open up. Now from here, you can select the post that you want to upload in your Instagram feed along with the music. After you select it, click on the option Next. From this page, you are able to edit the picture as well as you can add music. So here you can find different filters. You can add it to your picture. Likewise, at the top, you'll find this music icon. Click on it. With that, you're gonna get different songs options. You can see that. Just scroll down. Also at the top, you'll see this search box. Over here, you can just type in the name of the music that you want to add in your post. After you select the music for your post, you're gonna see this kind of section. You will see this rectangle kind of box. You can just swipe to right and left and select particular part of the music for your post. Likewise, tapping on this icon, you can select the clip duration. You can set it up to 90 seconds. After you are done with selecting, click on Done. Click on Next. From this page, you can add a caption, likewise tag people, add location, and then click on the option of Share. You can see that I have easily posted along with the music in my Instagram account. So this is how you can easily add music to an Instagram feed post. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.